You've never seen the most beautiful side of Sweden before, and that's because you're brainwashed. Yes, that's right. Right now, you only see riots, gang violence, and one of the highest crime rates. In this video, I will uncover the great side of Sweden with 100 shocking facts that will change your mind forever. 1. Sweden has its own ice hotel, located in Jukkasjärvi, where guests can sleep in rooms made entirely of ice and snow. 2. In Sweden, it's not uncommon to take a fika break, which involves enjoying a cup of coffee and a cinnamon bun in good company. 3. The country boasts the world's first national park, Sarek National Park, established in 1909, showcasing breathtaking wilderness. 4. Swedish Lapland is one of the best places on Earth to witness the mesmerizing northern lights, a truly magical experience. 5. The Swedish number allowed people from around the world to call and have a chat with random Swedes, promoting cultural exchange. 6. In Sweden, you can find the Landsort Artillery Battery, a historic military site turned into a cozy B&B on a small island. 7. Sweden has a tradition called Semla Day, where people indulge in delicious cream-filled buns every year on Fat Tuesday. 8. Kiruna, a northern town, is moving its entire city center to avoid being swallowed by an expanding iron mine. 9. Swedish is the official language of Sweden, but 5 indigenous languages, including Sami, are also recognized. 10. Sweden's right to roam law allows anyone to camp, hike, or forage on private land, as long as they respect nature and property. The Swedish town of Mora is famous for producing the world's best ice hockey sticks, used by NHL players worldwide. 12. Swedish actress and film icon Ingrid Bergman captivated audiences worldwide with her talent and elegance, making her one of the most celebrated actresses in Hollywood's golden age. 13. The town of Borgholm on Åland Island is home to the impressive Borgholm Castle ruins, which date back to the 12th century. 14. Sweden's king, Carl XVI, Gustav, has a hobby of car racing and even competed in the 24 Hours of Le Mans. 15. Sweden gave the world the invention of the adjustable wrench, or the Swedish key. 16. The country is home to the world's largest scale model of the solar system, spanning across 950 kilometers from the Sun to Pluto. 17. The Swedish town of Kiruna has an annual tradition of throwing a Frozen Dead Guy Days festival, inspired by a similar event in the US. And 18. Sweden is proud of its Alfred Nobel, the inventor of dynamite, but he left most of his fortune for the Nobel Prizes. 19. The charming town of Mariefred boasts an impressive steamboat that's over 100 years old, offering scenic tours on Lake Mälaren. 20. The Swedish köttbullar, meatballs, are so iconic that they even have their emoji. 21. The town of Sigtuna is known for its 1,000-year-old runestones, providing a glimpse into ancient Viking history. 22. The Miss Sweden beauty pageant has a rich tradition of selecting representatives for international beauty competitions, with several Miss Universe winners hailing from Sweden. 23. The country has a long history of embracing recycling, and it's common to see recycling stations even in public parks. 24. The world-famous game Minecraft was created by Marcus Persson, also known as Notch, who hails from Sweden. 25. Sweden's love for candy is undeniable, and they have a day dedicated to it called Lördagsgodis, or Saturday Candy. 26. Sweden's famous furniture company, IKEA, was founded in Älmhult, Sweden, and the name stands for Ingvar Kamprad Elmtarid Agunarid. 27. Sweden has a strong tradition of female athletes excelling in sports like skiing, ice hockey, and tennis, with stars like Anja Persson and Anna Hasselborg achieving international acclaim. 28. Sweden is the birthplace of the world-renowned music streaming service, Spotify. 29. The largest scale model of the solar system includes a tiny model of Pluto, although it's not considered a planet anymore. 30. Sweden's ice hotel is rebuilt annually with new designs and themes, ensuring a unique experience every year. 31. The Swedish town of Fjärås is famous for its annual Sillens dag, Herring Day celebration, dedicated to the humble herring fish. 32. The iconic Swedish meatball, köttbullar, is often served with lingonberry sauce, creating a delightful sweet and savory combination. 33. Sweden is home to the picturesque town of Ystad, where the popular Swedish detective TV series Wallander was filmed. 34. Swedish coffee culture is serious business. The country is one of the top coffee consumers globally. 35. The Swedish chef from The Muppet Show was performed by a Swedish puppeteer, Jim Henson. 36. Sweden introduced the world to Pippi Longstocking, a beloved children's character created by author Astrid Lindgren. 37. The annual crayfish party in Sweden involves eating crayfish and drinking schnapps, usually in late summer. 38. Sweden's postal service introduced the Postkodlotteriet, a lottery where your postal code can win you big prizes. 39. Sweden's Allemansrätten allows you to swim, boat, or fish in public waters, even on privately owned land. 40. The country has an impressive network of Viking runestones, with over 2,800 stone monuments scattered across Sweden. 41. Sweden's love for saunas is evident, with over 2 million saunas in the country, despite a population of around 10 million. 42. The Swedish red cow breed is known for its distinctive red color and high milk production. 43. Sweden is famous for its Swedish design movement, with iconic brands like H&M, Volvo, and Ericsson. 44. The Swedish town of Varberg boasts a seaside fortress that dates back to the late 13th century. 45. Sweden has its version of the Loch Ness Monster called Storsjöodjuret, residing in Lake Storsjön. 46. The Ice Hotel offers warm accommodations in cabins nearby, for those who find sleeping on ice a bit too chilly. 47. Sweden has one of the highest rates of English fluency in the world, making it easy for travelers to communicate. 48. The Swedish national anthem, Du gamla, du fria, has no official lyrics, allowing Swedes to create their verses. 49. The town of Norrköping has an annual Bach and Bibliotek book fair, one of the largest in Northern Europe. 50. Sweden has a strong tradition of celebrating Valborgsmässoafton, Walpurgis Night, with bonfires and songs to welcome spring. 51. Sweden has an impressive network of over 95,000 lakes, making it a haven for water enthusiasts. 52. The Stockholm archipelago consists of around 30,000 islands, offering endless opportunities for exploration. 53. The Swedish monarchy has a constitutional role, and the king, Carl XVI Gustaf, has limited powers. 54. The country's official Twitter account, Sweden, used to be managed by a different Swedish citizen every week, showcasing diverse perspectives. 55. Sweden is home to the Kopparberg Brewery, known for its popular fruit ciders, widely enjoyed worldwide. 56. Lucia, a beloved Swedish tradition, involves a young girl dressed in a white gown with a crown of candles on her head, symbolizing light in the darkness. 57. Sweden is known for its excellent healthcare system, with universal access and high-quality medical services. 58. Dalahäst, the iconic carved wooden horse from Dalarna, is a symbol of Sweden and a popular souvenir. 59. Sweden has a strong tradition of folk music and dance tradition, with many festivals celebrating these art forms. 60. The world's largest scale model of the Earth, Scales of the Universe, can be found in Sweden, showcasing our planet's geological history. 61. Sweden's Vasaloppet is the oldest and longest cross-country ski race, attracting thousands of participants annually. 62. The country has its version of Easter witches, påskkäringar, where children dress up as witches and exchange drawings for candy. 63. The Gavel goat is a famous Christmas tradition, where a giant straw goat is erected in Gävle, and locals bet on how long it will stand before someone tries to burn it down. 64. Sweden's semla buns used to be considered so rich that they were banned during fasting periods in the 18th century. 65. The Swedish town of Boden is home to an underground military fortress known as Boden Fortress, a fascinating historical site. 66. Sweden has one of the highest rates of electric vehicle adoption in the world, with incentives for going green. 67. The famous children's book character, Pippi Longstocking, lives in a colorful house called Villa Villikola. 68. The Swedish tradition of kräftskiva involves a crayfish party with funny hats and plenty of schnapps. 69. Sweden's floating sauna offers a unique experience, allowing you to enjoy a sauna while floating on a lake. 70. The country's Sametinget is a parliament dedicated to representing the indigenous Sami people. 71. Sweden's Swedish king cake, kungstårta, is a beloved dessert, often served on special occasions. 72. The Swedish Flogsta scream tradition involves students screaming out of their dorm windows at 10 p.m. to relieve exam stress. 73. Sweden is home to one of the world's largest icebreaker fleets, crucial for keeping its ports open during winter. 74. The famous Swedish author Astrid Lindgren wrote over 100 books, many of which have been adapted into films and TV series. 75. The Stockholm Tunnelbana, subway, is often called the world's longest art gallery, with unique artwork in every station. 76. Sweden has one of the highest life expectancies in the world, with an average of over 83 years. 77. The Swedish Hornsgatan street features a pedestrian crossing with a piano you can play while waiting for the light to change. 78. The Dala horse has been handcrafted in Sweden for over 400 years and is considered a symbol of good luck. 79. Sweden's fika culture emphasizes taking breaks to enjoy coffee and baked goods, promoting work-life balance. 80. The Swedish Mora clock is a traditional hand-painted clock known for its unique design and craftsmanship. 81. The town of Visby on the island of Gotland is famous for its well-preserved medieval city walls and cobblestone streets. 82. Sweden's national dish, surströmming, is fermented herring with a pungent odor, often eaten with potatoes and onions. 83. Sweden's kanelbulle, cinnamon bun, is so cherished that it has its dedicated day on October 4th. 84. The Stockholm subway system has been called the world's longest art exhibit due to its impressive underground artwork. 85. Swedish women are known for their natural beauty, and the country has a long history of producing top models, including famous names like Greta Garbo and Elsa Hosk. 86. The country is known for its minimalist design, with influential designers like Arne Jacobsen and Alvar Aalto. 87. Sweden's Hemglass, home ice cream. Trucks roam neighborhoods, selling ice cream to delighted customers. 88. The Stieg Larsson Millennium Tour in Stockholm takes you to locations featured in the popular Millennium book series. 89. Sweden's Drottningholm Palace is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the residence of the Swedish royal family. 90. The Swedish tradition of julklapp involves guessing the contents of a gift before opening it, adding to the excitement. 91. The town of Luleå is home to the world's first ice music concert hall, made entirely of ice. 92. Sweden's lagom philosophy promotes a balanced and moderate way of living, avoiding excess. 93. The country's love for licorice candy knows no bounds, with a vast variety of flavors and shapes. 94. Sweden's midsummer celebration includes dancing around a maypole adorned with flowers and ribbons. 95. The Djurgården Island in Stockholm is home to several museums, including the famous ABBA Museum. 96. The Swedish town of Falun is known for its copper mine, which has been operational for over 1,000 years. 97. Sweden's gingerbread house tradition involves making intricate and decorative gingerbread houses during the holiday season. 98. The Nobel Prize banquet in Stockholm features a menu prepared by top chefs, including a famous dessert known as Nobel ice cream. 99. Sweden has a strong coffee culture, with a tradition called kafferep, where people gather for coffee, pastries, and conversation. 100. The picturesque town of Gränna is famous for its traditional candy canes, known as polka grisar, which have been made since the 1850s. And that concludes our journey through the hidden wonders of Sweden. Each fact unveils a layer of this fascinating country, offering a glimpse into its rich history, vibrant culture, and beautiful landscapes. We hope this video has broadened your horizons and given you new insights into the amazing country of Sweden. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel for more captivating journeys around the world. Until next time, as they say in Sweden, hej då.